Hello friends, today we are going to cook Tindora and mushroom fry, or it is called Kunduri, chhatu, bhaja. For that I have already cut Tindora and onion into small pieces, and mushroom I had already cut into small pieces and fried in oil. For that I will post another video. Let's start. In the pan I added around 2 tablespoons of oil, any oil you can use, and I allowed oil to get heated up. Oil needs to get heated up now nicely, otherwise the vegetables will stick to the pan. Now it seems like the oil is ready. Here I added around half teaspoon of Panch Phoron, or it is called Panch Phoron. It started crackling already. Here I added Tindora pieces and onions, chopped onions. Tindora with mushroom tastes really well. After adding, I mixed it with nicely, and I will allow it to cook covered for 1.5 minutes. Again, after 1.5 minutes, I will remove the lid and mix and spread it like this, and I will cook for 2 times like this. Each in every 1 minute interval I have to open the lid and saute it like that. After cooking like this for 2 times, I will add around half teaspoon of turmeric powder, I added around 1 teaspoon or 1.5 teaspoon of salt. That is according to my taste. You add according to your taste. Here you can add green chili pieces or chili powder, but I am avoiding it today. After that I mixed everything nicely all together and allow it to cook, covering with the lid for 1.5 minutes again. Again we will cook for 2 times like before, and then we will add mushroom pieces. After adding mushroom pieces, we need to mix it like this nicely, and we need to take care of that it should not stick to the bottom of the pan. So for that, in every 1.5 minutes we need to mix it and spread it nicely so that it will cook. But after this we will not cover with the lid again, and we will allow it to cook for 7 or 8 minutes with sauteing it in between. Now it looks like it's ready. We have to check that tindoras are well cooked, but nothing is sticking to the pan. This way it will taste better, and it's ready to eat now. We will remove it in a plate, and it's ready for plating. Thank you for watching. Please prepare it at home. It tastes really nice.